Tutorial we're going to be talking about hooks or freebies or giveaways, and these are often used to entice people to fill out your lead form. It's often kind of got to think of it like this. They're going to give you their personal data. What are they going to get in return? And there's got to be enough motivation for them to do that. So the way that we do this is that we call these hooks. We actually create a campaign, and I'm going to call this one my free download. And the reason you want to give something away to get their information is because you then created a lead that you can follow up in. If somebody's interested in 10 tips on how to sell their home, and it's a PDF document that they can download from your landing page, chances are they're interested in selling their home. And then you could say, well, what can I do with that lead? Well, a real estate agent, if you're in real estate, what a great opportunity that is to generate a lead to follow up with the person. So there's 101 ways to think about that, but in most cases you just jump over here and I'm going to go arts and crafts here, and I'm going to grab this template here, and in this case, I have a mobile app that it's a knitting app that I'm going to be promoting, and I want to generate a lead to send the person the information on the mobile app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away a free knitting PDF on how to knit, and then I'll follow up with it on with the invite to go download and purchase the app. So what I do here is I do my first name, last name, phone number. I don't need a phone number, and I really don't need a first and last name. However, I will leave it in there because I might do something with it in the future. And then down here it says, would you like to give away a free download product? And this is where I say yes. Okay, and then it's going to ask me to browse for the item that I'm going to download. And this is going to be really, the idea here is we're talking about giving somebody a free PDF or free digital information when they fill out that form. And what Add to Action is going to do is it's going to automatically fulfill on that. It's going to actually send that client the PDF. Let me just resort these so I can find it a little bit easier. It's going to actually fulfill on that and send that PDF to that client, so you don't even have to worry about it. It'll all be taken care of. All you have to do is upload the PDF to this area here. You can specify the number of downloads. That way, if somebody goes to download it a second or third or fourth time, then it's going to limit that on the download link. And here's what happens a lot of times on the internet is somebody will go download a digital document, and then they'll take the link and go post it on Facebook or share it with their friends and tell everybody to go download it. And you don't want your products to be hijacked that way or abused, so you can limit your download. I'm just going to limit this to 1 download per person, and then you can specify, click here to download the file, whatever text you want in there. You're going to hit save and continue, and what this is basically doing is going to generate a lead form on your landing page that when somebody fills it out, wham, they're going to automatically receive the PDF document to their inbox that they requested. Now, of course, you're going to need to jump inside here and edit your offer. Add like different text or call to actions. For instance, you can say free guide, whatever you want, to knitting or whatever it is that you're presenting an offer for. Download now. And some of the ideas on this might be maybe you're selling a house and you want to give out a free brochure on it, or a piece of property. Maybe you've created some digital how-tos and you want to give out some of the how-tos. You may even be an author that wrote a book and you want to give out the first chapter of the book so that it entices them to buy the rest of the book. Whatever it is that you want to give out as your hook, this is where you would put that call to action in. Build your landing page the same way you otherwise would, and then when the person hits submit, they receive that PDF document instantly, and you receive the lead. Now, this is a very powerful tool that you can use online to start doing lead generation or finesse your people into your sales process. It's very effective. Once you see this, you're going to start noticing it all over the web that marketers do this all the time. And it's very simple to do it on the Add to Action platform. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, this wraps up the tutorial on how to set up a hook. Now, why do we call it a hook? I'll leave on this, is if you ever thought about going out fishing, What would it be like if you just tied your string around the bait and threw it out there? You've got to have something that's going to hook into the person and allow you to catch them and reel them in. And so that hook is going to be that freebie, that giveaway that you put out there. And that's really why we call them the hooks. And make sure that your offer has a very solid hook. It'll make all the difference in converting whatever it is you're doing. Even if you're doing affiliate marketing, a lot of the times people will take a product from ClickBank and they will sell it, but before selling it, they'll say, if you fill out this form, not only will we give you that product, but we'll also include this product and that product and this product. And so they do product bundling, and this is a great way that you could even bundle additional items with your offer. For instance, fill this out and we'll also give you a free 10 tips on how to do this. So it's a great addition to help with conversions. So anyhow, I'll leave it with that. This wraps up this tutorial on hooks and how to set them up.